Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting. I have a new monthly challenge for you guys, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. Now let's be real. I know you have gone to a store and you have found the perfect item for your home. And when you go up to it, you look at it and it's absolutely beautiful. But then you check out the price tag and you're like, that ain't happening. Well, that happens to me all the time. As a stay-at-home mom, I like to stick to a budget, and there are just some things I ain't gonna get. My husband wouldn't agree, but shh. So I decided to create a new monthly challenge called the Look for Less. Now in this challenge, we take that item that we love so much, but absolutely refuse to pay that amount of money for, and we recreate it ourselves. It can be anything as small as a napkin ring to as big as a piece of furniture. Now this challenge will be coming at you every month, and I will have a different co-host with me. This month I have Heidi Sonboul, and I'll make sure to link to her channel below. You guys need to check her out. She does a lot of DIYs, home decor, organizational, and lifestyle videos. She's gonna be joining me on this very first one. But since I will be changing every month, make sure you check out our channel right now so that you can continue to get her awesome content. All right, here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete this challenge. The videos should be live on July 19th. There will be a playlist available for you to add your videos. It will go up at 8 o'clock in the morning and it will be open until midnight. This way, everyone else who has joined the challenge can check out your creations and you can do the same with them. 2, make sure you mention both myself and Heidi, the host of this challenge, and provide the link to the playlist in your description box. 3, it has to be home decor related. Now, it could be as small as a napkin ring or as big as a piece of furniture. It's all up to you. 4, you have to show us the original piece and how much it costs next to your finished versions and how much it cost you. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see next month's co-hosts and all the followings. We will be doing this every single month, and again, for each project you will have 2 weeks to complete it, but I am sure you guys have already have some ideas up your sleeves. And if you want to co-host one of these months with me, please make sure to contact me at the email below, and make sure the subject reads Look for Less Challenge Co-host. If you are excited for this challenge, please make sure to hit the like button and let me know if you'll be joining below. Now I am so excited for this challenge. I already have my project up my sleeve and I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. So until July 19th, adios.